Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to link boards in Monday.com so you can easily connect your workflows, organize information across projects, and supercharge your productivity by bridging the gap between different teams or tasks. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to connect boards, link specific items, and even mirror important data for full transparency, all with confidence. Let's dive in. First, let's create a bridge between boards using Monday.com's Connect Boards column. Start by opening the board you'd like to link from. Go ahead and find the plus icon next to your last existing column. This is your entry point for adding something new. Once you click it, a menu will pop up. And from here, just search for Connect Boards. Select it, and you've initiated your board linking journey. The Connect Boards column is especially powerful because it lets you reference and pull information from other boards, so your team isn't stuck flipping back and forth or missing crucial updates. Now, a small window should appear. This is where you'll connect to other boards. Click the Select Boards button. You'll see a list of all your boards in the workspace. Pick the ones you want to link up with your current board. Maybe you have a team tasks board and a client projects board. Connecting them means you can pull relevant project updates straight into your daily workflow, keeping everyone on the same page. At this stage, Monday.com will prompt you to create a mirror column. What does that mean? A mirror column lets you reflect information from your other board directly onto the board you're working on. For instance, you could mirror the status column from your project board to see if things are in progress or done without leaving your tasks board. When asked, select which column you want to mirror. You can always change your mind later if you realize another detail is more relevant. It's also important to note that Monday.com automatically creates a corresponding Connect Boards column on the other board you linked. It's like opening a two-way street. Both boards know they're connected, which makes future linking even easier. If you only want to create a one-way connection, meaning the link shows up only on your original board, just leave the box unchecked. This is handy if you want to manage everything from one central hub and avoid cluttering the connected boards. Once you're happy with your selection, click either Connect Boards or Create Boards to finalize the link. Sometimes this process takes a few seconds, so don't worry if you need to wait a moment. The next step is all about linking up specific items. Find the cell in your new Connect Boards column and click on it. This is where you can search for and select the exact item you want to link from the connected board, a particular client's task, a deliverable, or even a deadline. Think of it like grabbing a book from another shelf and placing it right next to your own, so you never lose track. Now, if you really want to make the most of board linking, you can add additional mirror columns too. This is totally optional, but it allows you to display even more information from the connected board on your current one. Let's say you want to track both status and due date from another board. Simply add another mirror column and select the relevant data points. This is a great way to customize what your team sees and focus only on what you find most useful. And that's it. You've just unlocked seriously powerful board linking in Monday.com, making your workspace smarter and more interconnected. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that like button, share it with anyone who could use it, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.